All right, today is Thursday, June the 27th. You see there, they got the light in because they're going to be here first thing in the morning. Plan is that they'll be here at 5 o'clock to start on the concrete. So they got this all ready. Coming into the house, got some more stuff done today. So primarily around putting doors back in, drawers on the cabinets. Still working on it in the lounge. Still working on the kitchen. All looking very good. Doors put into here. We have a guest bath. The things they also did today is they delivered, looks like a couple of loads of dirt, maybe 3 loads of dirt out there. And then coming back into our bathroom. Cabinets, drawers and doors all back in. All looking very good. Tomorrow they'll be here to pour concrete, and of course the painters will be back tomorrow to continue on in here. Oh, very exciting.